hate being late, but this one, I'll make an exception. Kamusta YouTube? Welcome back to Sneaker Stories, and for today's catch-up, we'll be talking about the New Balance 990 V6 in the true camo and white colorway. Who among you had the 990 V5? Whether it's gray or the navy or the black? I definitely did. It was actually my first and last purchase from StockX. Even if the V1 is really my favorite among the 990 series, I think the V5 was the best. The look, the comfort, all into one sneaker. Then the news came, the V6 coming. Initially, I thought it was from the running line because of the bulkiness of the sole. Plus the fact it's a made in USA pair, definitely it's gonna be expensive. But enter the dark camo with incense and natural indigo. This pair really changed my mind. I actually already had the chance in buying it locally. Unfortunately, I passed on it because I'm never gonna pay for an 18,000 peso shoe. So I looked for it in Japan and Korea. Nope, none. I'm keeping my hopes up in New Zealand or maybe in Australia. So I was able to buy the Absorb 2000 in 2010, and I should be fine, right? One pair is already a win. 2 stickers, I'm already lucky. 3 is like Jalen Brunson hitting a big 3-point shot. So I went to the New Balance outlet. Lo and behold, on the left side of the store was the 990 V6. It had the workwear and gray colorway. But the one I was looking at was this one, the true camo with white. I was like a kid again in a toy store. Sent it over to my wife, hoping and praying she will say yes. And yeah, it was my Jalen moment. I got the true camo and white colorway, which you can see here. There's another true camo colorway which had mostly green. Even the laces are green. Unfortunately, this only came with the white laces when I got them. Unlike the other colorways, they had extra laces. So I got these cream laces from my 991v2. The original retail price of this one was 330 Australian dollars, which is around 13,962 pesos. Luckily, this was on sale at 170 Australian dollars, which is around 7,100. Now, how can you say no to that? Summing up all my purchases from the Absorb 2000 and 2010 plus this one, that's only one pair in Manila. I'm usually a size US 9.5 in the Made in USA, but I got these in the size 10 because that's the only one available, so I'm not passing up on this one. It has a bit of a room right here in the toe box area, but my 993 and the 991v2 is the same size 10, so I think I'll make it work. Overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. I got it in a good price. It's one of my favorite colorways. The sizing is fine with me. A little big, but it's okay. And I think I'm close to completing my Infinity Gauntlet, if you know what I mean. So there you have it. The New Balance 990 V6 in the true camo and white colorway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Sneaker Stories.